2025 has a new obsession. Move over Labubu. It's all about matcha now. This green, gorgeous powerhouse is everywhere. Seriously, it has taken over our Instagram feeds, our fridges, and probably even your face masks. Matcha has been quietly hanging around for a while, but this year it exploded. What was once a niche superfood is now a mainstream must-have. You will find it swirled into lattes at your favorite cafe, blended into smoothie bowls by influencers, and even sprinkled on donuts at your local bakery. It's not just tasty, it's photo-ready and totally on trend. So, what makes matcha so special? Well, it's not your average green tea. It's richer, thicker, and way cooler. Made from finely ground green tea leaves, it's a full leaf experience that gives you a smooth, steady caffeine boost. Gone are the days when matcha was just a part of traditional Japanese tea ceremony. Today, it is a certified health icon, real, natural, and totally Instagrammable. Matcha feels like an ancient secret that's perfect for the modern world. And this isn't just hype, the numbers don't lie. In 2024, the global matcha market was valued at a whopping $4.23 billion, which is expected to nearly double by 2033. Health-wise, matcha got some serious benefits. Think anti-inflammatory powers and a little help with weight management. Plus, it combines caffeine with L-theanine, giving you calm, focused energy instead of the jittery buzz. It got so popular that last autumn there was actually a matcha shortage. Demand went through the roof, and tea companies in Japan actually had to limit how much you could buy. The Japanese government is even thinking about subsidizing more tencha production, the special tea leaf matcha is made from, just to keep up with the world's craving for matcha lattes. And here's something cool. Sania Malhotra, yes, the Dangal star, has jumped on the matcha bandwagon too. She just launched her own brand Brie, teaming with Essenza Nutrition. Starting with 2 tasty variants and plenty more in the pipeline, she's all about spreading matcha love and its amazing health benefits. So, will matcha keep reigning supreme in the wellness world, or something else will replace it in the next few months? We want to hear it from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments and stick around for more.